Today I'm going to show you how to make buttercream. You will need 175 grams of icing sugar, 75 grams of unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of water. I always mix my buttercream in a standalone mixer just because it takes a long time to do buttercream right, so I just find doing it in a standalone mixer is a lot easier. If you don't have one, you can do it by hand and you can do it by a handheld mixer. I would always go handheld mixer over by hand if you've got one. If you don't and all you've got is a fork and some will, then you can get through it and you can do it. So firstly, add your icing sugar and your butter to your bowl, and then you want to cream them together. This is going to take a while, and if you're using a standalone mixer, I do suggest go slowly to start with, otherwise icing sugar will go everywhere, all over your kitchen. It has happened to me a few times. Just keep mixing that buttercream together until it is completely combined and creamy, and you'll find that that buttercream mixture is quite hard, so that's where the water comes in. If you wanted to flavour your buttercream, this is where you'd add your flavouring. So if you wanted to add a teaspoon of vanilla flavouring, or orange flavouring is really nice, or if you wanted to add a little bit of cocoa powder in, this is the point where you'd add it in. And then we're going to add a little bit of that water in. We're not going to add it all in because we're going to do it by eye. So we're going to add a little bit in, give it a mix. And then if we need to add a little bit more, we can do. We want to get a consistency that will hold its shape but is still spreadable. So just keep mixing your buttercream until it is nicely combined, all that water's combined, and then you get that nice spreadable consistency. But if you piped it, it would keep its shape. And that's it. That's how you make buttercream.